So one thing that I'm really enjoying about Las Vegas, Nevada is the peace and quiet and the tranquility that comes with boondocking, but you get to be in the city too. And it's just so calming and serene and quiet, and I'm really, really enjoying it.
It's been a long, long time coming. It's been a long, long, long time. It's been a long, long time coming. It's been a long, long, long
Another accident. This time it was raining really hard just west of Flagstaff. And I was just driving in the rain. I'm like, boy, it's fun to drive in the rain in the mountains. Granted, we're not on huge hills yet, but yeah, hopefully everybody's okay again.
Yep.
Yikes. Gotta be careful. Looks like everybody is okay. I mean, they look shaken. Not good.
Driving in the rain.
And I don't know what's going on. Oh. Wow. We've never experienced more accidents than
Last 2 days?
in the last 2 days. It's been crazy. I get the rain thing. Like yesterday, the accident on I-40 was hardly a cloud in the sky. So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, me neither. Vegas, baby. So, like you said, it's a big parking lot, which is fine. That's what. Oh, what the heck?
Like, that's awesome for RVs coming in.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
They expect these big RVs to come in and they don't have a road that's very good. Oh boy. A lot of speed bumps now.
So you would think that there would be an office of some sort, but I'm not seeing.
I saw that lady coming from that way, but I don't. Maybe there are hosts or something.
I don't know where you're supposed to go.
Me neither. There's a building up there. Let's see what they do. Not sure. And you checked the email?
Yeah, this is kind of a small, kind of mom and pop RV park though, so they probably don't have it figured out. No, this is Circus.
There's a building right there. Person just asked us where to go. See those doors right there? Do you want to go check? Okay. It's under your name. I know that was a little bit harrowing for him driving through on the freeway with so many vehicles going past us and craziness and everything. And I know he needs to really pay attention when we're doing that, but he did an excellent job, and I will definitely tell him that once we're done, because I know he's still probably stressing a little bit about, okay, where are we gonna park and what's it gonna be, and you know, just thinking ahead. And I'm not stressing because I'm meeting my mom and my sister. Anyhow, so once we get to our spot, I will definitely be handing him a beer. There you go.
For me?
Yep, you earned it.
That's good. Look at that. We don't see that very often. I don't see that very often.
Man, it is hot out here. Ooh, helicopter. There's gonna be a lot of action. We are 175 right here. Don't know that he'll even need me, but I can call him. Hey Siri, call Dave. Kind of nice when there are no obstructions. And stop.
I guess there's no dump.
I thought it was full hookups, but
I did too.
yeah. Shoot, and we didn't dump today. So looks like we have electric and water.
There's only one of us.
That's true. It'll just be you.
This one twice as long.
Perfect.
We thought it was full service, and the lady came by on the golf cart, and we asked about the dump station on site, and she said, "Oh, it's at your site." The problem is, here's our dump, and way down there is the dump receptacle. So I'll probably have to hook the caddy up, or it'll be just me, so we can cut our waste in half. No using the bathroom while you're here today. You're gonna have to run inside, sorry. We're gonna hand off Jacqueline to her sister and her mom. They're staying about 15 minutes away from here in a luxury hotel. I prefer this. This is kind of my speed. So we got everything set up. She's all packed, and we're gonna call an Uber because I'm not gonna drive the truck through, especially at $4.59 a gallon. Let her sit, and I'll take an Uber and get her over there, and we're gonna have dinner, and then we're gonna come back here. I'm gonna come back here, let's put it that way. And I'll be here for 6 days. And I told her, do not tie yourself up with worrying about me. Go out and have fun. I'm gonna be flying on my own. I'm gonna be editing video. I'm gonna be hanging out. And who knows, I'll do some sightseeing maybe. So here we go. Today I am getting out of the RV. It's been so hot here in Vegas, and we're on a asphalt parking lot. Today I am going to the pawn shop that's seen on Pawn Stars. I love that show. I always feel like I learn something new when I watch it. So I'm gonna cruise up there and see what it's all about. If there's not too big of a line, I'll go in and scope it out. So that was pretty neat. I'm always a little uncomfortable filming around large groups of people because not everybody wants to be on camera. Talked to the security guard and I asked how often do people ask if Rick's there. He said, all the time, every day. And he goes, but it's all good. And I said, are they good people? He goes, yes. They take really good care of us. And there's never a complaint. So I love it. Continue to watch the show and be able to see what I saw here on the show now. Pretty neat, pretty fun. great time here. Jacqueline hung out with her mom and her sister. I hung out by myself.
Now we're back together.
Love is in the air. It was a great experience. Had fun. And wouldn't mind doing it again. All right, let's get back to normal civilization.
Okay. Tired. Welcome to another Healthy Living Tip with Jacqueline. Today's Healthy Living Tip is a recipe. So this is Mexican egg burritos, egg beaters, light Laughing Cow cheese wedges, diced tomatoes with some chilies, gives a little kick, and then some low sodium taco seasoning, and either ground beef or ground turkey, and I used ground turkey. So what I did was I mixed them all together. There you go. That's gonna be our filling. And then I put the egg beaters in the frying pan to make like an omelet type of thing. This is the burrito here. So there you go. I'm gonna try flipping this one. We'll see how I do. I'm not the best at it, but here we go. Ready? Oh, not bad at all. So here's your burrito. Here's the filling. And I'm just gonna add it in. And then I'm gonna roll it up like a little burrito. This is gonna be really yummy. And then when it's not super hot, you're just gonna roll it up like a burrito. Use your salsa for seasoning. And then you have a delicious, healthy burrito. I will put the recipe in the show notes or in the description of the video. And I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you make it. That's been another Healthy Living Tip with Jacqueline. This one's much better. That one's mine.
Have a good one. You too.
All right, so we just entered the RV, well, not the RV park, I guess the state park,
Yeah.
and had to get a pass.
Yeah.
Not a bad price though, right?
No. It wasn't. I thought he was gonna say like $70.
Right. So our pass was $25, and was that for 1 week? So that is in addition to our RV site, and we paid $20 a night. It's non-electric. I'm assuming that they'll have water and a dump station and all of that, so it should be good.
It's gonna be a bit of a cooker
Yeah.
because we ran in Vegas. We ran our AC the entire time.
Yeah.
So we'll go from running our AC the entire time to no AC. So those winter clothes that you've stored away are going to come in handy.
Winter clothes?
Yeah,
How?
I'm being facetious.
Okay.
That is the word of the day, facetious. So this is Lake Powell. We're on the Nevada side.
I thought it was Lake Mead.
Is it Lake Mead?
Yeah, I thought so. This is Lake Mead. Yeah.
Like I said, this is Lake Mead. We're on the Nevada side.
Yeah.
Apparently the line goes down the middle of this, the state line.
Okay, yep, it does. I think it's Lake Mead because we're in the Lake Mead recreational area, right?
That would make sense.
And I did read that Lake Mead was formed because of the Hoover Dam, which is just down yonder, and we're gonna go see it on Thursday.
For those of you who do not know what yonder is, it's that way.
We're biking to the Hoover Dam. We're going on the on the railroad trail. There's supposed to be a lot of covered tunnels, and then we're gonna park our bikes. We're gonna walk to the Hoover Dam, and it's gonna be pretty cool. I've never seen it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. So. So we're at the part of the trail where we have to park our bikes. It says no bicycles. And I did read about this in the reviews on the All Trails app. So we're getting close to the Hoover Dam. We could tell that because there were a lot of helicopters flying around as well. We're gonna park our bikes and we're gonna walk and go see the dam.
Can we watch our language?
What else do you have to heckle about back there?
I'd prefer if we referred to it as the darn from now on.
Okay, we can do
Just
that.
because
Yeah.
I'm just not comfortable with that.
How about
rhetoric.
dang? The dang? Is that
Dang.
okay?
I'll go dang. I mean, we're really reaching for material there, aren't we?
Looks like we can get closer down there. I have to say that this life that we're living though lets us see things like this, and I bet I would have never come to see the Hoover Dam had we not been full-time RVers and been in the area. Probably would have never thought to come here. Glad I did.
So right now the Monument Plaza restoration is in progress, and it's funded by the Southern Nevada Public Land Management Act, otherwise known as SMFLA.
It's warm. We got to get back before it's 95 degrees because we have to bike ride. Oops.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching another episode of the Boulder Hookups Go RVing, and please remember to subscribe and to ding that bell. We'll let you all know as soon as we have more episodes coming out.
If you like what you saw in this video, please give us a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe. We're getting close to 10,000 and we'd like to celebrate. So we hope to see you all out here.
See you out here. So we're gonna try to figure out where they make the vacuum cleaners. The factory's supposed to be around here somewhere. See what we can find. We'll let you know.
Yeah, it looks like we can get closer over there.
We need to get one of these for the camper. That fit, right?
Yep.
Let's get one of these. Thank you very much.